To begin, you'll need access to a Shopify store. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and grab their extended trial. At the moment, they're offering 3 months for just $1 per month. Just head over to Shopify's site and you'll see the option there. Or, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link which is given in the video description. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, take a look around. The left-hand menu is where you'll control everything about your store, including products, orders, themes, settings, and more. Now it's time to install the Gecko theme. To do this, click on the Online Store section and then go to Themes. Gecko is a premium theme and it costs around $99. After you've purchased it, you'll get a zip file which includes the theme files and instructions. First, unzip the file on your computer. Then head back to the Shopify dashboard, click Add Theme, and upload the zip file. Once it finishes uploading, click on Customize to open the editor. At this point, you'll need to activate the theme by entering the license key that was provided to you via email when you bought it. After activation, you'll be taken to the theme editor where you can start working on your store's layout. One thing to keep in mind is that the Gecko theme includes a huge number of demo templates. These can only be imported before the theme is published, so don't hit the Publish button just yet. To get access to the templates, you'll need to install an app called ecommerce from the Shopify App Store. Once you install it, enable it in the theme settings and open up the app. You'll see options to select the Gecko theme and view all the demo templates available. Browse through the templates, preview the ones that interest you, and when you find one you like, go ahead and import it. This will give you a beautiful layout to start customizing. Next up is adding your products. You can add them manually one by one by entering the product name, description, uploading images, setting prices, and so on. Or if you have a lot of products, you can use a CSV file to import them all at once. Once your products are uploaded, it's time to organize them into collections. Click on Products, then Collections, and create new ones based on categories like boys, girls, accessories, or anything else relevant to your store. Add the products you want to each collection and save your changes.